Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a banner on Twitch. I wonder why you want to know how to upload a banner on Twitch. It is because you saw someone else's banner on their Twitch profile and it really inspired you. So you also want to create or upload a banner on your Twitch app. Or maybe there's a picture in your mobile phone that you want to upload as a banner on your Twitch app. So that's why you're looking for it. Or maybe there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can upload a banner on Twitch. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So this is the icon of the Twitch app. You can install it from Google Play Store or App Store, and once you install it, make sure you have already created your account on it. After that, just simply tap on its icon to open it. Once it gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options all over the screen. At the bottom we have 4 options, and on the top we have different options. So what we have to do is we have to go to this first option, which is following, and there you will see this profile icon, this one. We have to click on this option because the banner option is available in the profile. So for that, just simply tap on its icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, you will see that on the top it is written account, and we have different options. So from all these options, we have to select this first option, which is my channel. Just simply tap on it. After that, you will land in your profile page. Here you could see it's your name and different stuff, all are related to your profile. So what we have to do here is that we have to click on this option. This is edit profile. You could see it is written here. Simply tap on it to get into your profile, and from there we will see how we can upload a banner. Once you get into your this option which says edit profile, here you can easily upload any kind of banner to your profile. If you don't know what a banner is, it is same as a cover page that we upload on Facebook and different social media platforms. So here we will see how we can upload here. So to upload a new one, you have to click on this icon. This is a pencil icon. Just simply tap on it, and here you will see 2 options. Through first option, you can upload any kind of picture that is in your mobile phone gallery, and it will be set as a banner. And from the second option, take photo, camera will open, and you will click the picture at the moment and it will be uploaded as a banner. So you can choose any one of these options. I'm going with the first option, in which I will select a photo from my mobile phone photo gallery. So here I have selected this picture. Now you can set it, crop it, and can customize it according to your choice. And once you're done doing all that, just simply click on choose and it will be uploaded. Here you can see the picture has been uploaded as a banner, but we have to save it. So for that, you have to click on done, and there you can see it will just take while like that. It will upload a banner for you. So that's how you can upload a banner of your choice on the Twitch app. This was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a banner on Twitch app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.